Can you see my screen?
Yes.
What's that noise? What's that noise, Mo?
Vocabulary.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right. So, what is in letter A? What is in letter A here?
Group work.
Okay. Group work. Ask your
Ask
classmates.
your classmates about their favorites. Write down their answers.
Okay, write down their answers. All right. So, what is your? I will be going to ask you now. Okay.
Okay.
All right, Mo. What is your food?
My favorite food is spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Oh, we're done with this, right?
Okay.
We already finished. Okay, so this time we are going to learn what time is it. Okay, can you please read this one?
Um, what time is it?
All right, so I will ask you, what time is it? What time now?
What time? Um,
What is the time now?
my time is
Hmm?
9:34.
In the evening, okay?
Okay.
All right, so we are going to read the vocabulary, okay?
Okay.
All right, listen and practice saying the times.
Mm, mhm.
Yes. And then we're going to listen. We're going to listen the audio. Are you ready to listen?
Yes.
Okay, CD 18.
Lesson 7. What time is it? Page 16. Vocabulary. A. Listen. Practice saying the times.
It's 12 o'clock.
Okay,
It's noon. It's midnight.
It's 12:15. It's a quarter after 12.
It's 12:30. It's 12:30.
It's 12:55. It's 5 to 1.
okay, so do you hear that? Paul?
Yes.
Okay, so this time we're going to read again. Okay, number one, this picture first.
It's 12 o'clock.
Next,
It's noon. It's midnight.
okay. Next picture.
It's 12:15. It's a quarter after 12.
Right, next picture.
It's 12:30. It's 12:30.
Next.
It's 12:55. It's 5 to 1.
Okay. So look at the picture. So when it's noon, there is a sun, okay? But in midnight, what is in the midnight?
Mm,
There
midnight
is.
is 12 o'clock.
Okay. All right. So pair work. But we're going to do the conversation again. So CD 19, we're going to hear again the audio, okay?
Okay.
Page 16. Conversation. A. Listen. Where are Ken and Zach going? What time is the train?
Hi, Zach. Are you almost ready?
Almost. What time is it?
5:45.
What time is the concert?
7:30. What time is the train?
6:15. I'll meet you there.
Okay, see you. Don't be late.
Okay, so we're going to read also, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I will be Ken and you will be Zach, okay?
Okay.
Hi, Zach. Are you almost ready?
Almost. What time is it?
5:45,
What time is the concert?
7:30. What time is the train?
6:15. I will meet you there.
Okay, see you. Don't be late. All right, so here is the language booster. What is in the letter A?
Notice the different ways we ask about time and tell time.
Okay, so you're going to notice the different ways when you ask time. Okay,
Okay.
so here is asking about time. Okay, one is what
What
time
time
is
is
it?
it?
Yes, it's it.
Um, it's 5:45.
Okay, and it's almost
It's almost 6
6.
o'clock.
Okay, and next, do you have?
Do you have the time? It's
It.
5:45. It's a little before 6.
Okay, what time?
Um, is the concert? It's a quarter after 10. It's about 10.
Okay, when?
When is the concert? Uh,
Okay,
it's at 7:30. It's a little after 7.
okay. Again, it's 10.
It's 7:10. It's just after 7.
Okay, so in this box, so these are the questions that we need to use in asking about time. Okay?
Okay.
And in this box, we will use this or we can use these answers in telling exact time, exact. And
Okay.
also in this box, we will use these answers in telling approximate. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So when you say exact, the correct time.
Okay.
Okay. Next is, all right. Next is also listening again, and you're going to answer the question, the number 1, 2, 4 here. Okay? Write the times. Okay.
Okay.
20. I will just see the 20.
Page 17. Listening. A and B. 1.
Oh no! I think I'm going to be late for class.
What time is your class?
It's at 11 o'clock.
11?
Okay, number 1. What is the time of their class?
11,
11.
11 o'clock.
Okay. Is the size this one? All right. Next.
Yeah,
But it's only 10:30. Relax. We'll be there in 15 minutes.
oh, good.
2,
What time is the movie?
It's at 2:50 p.m.
Sorry,
Okay.
2:15 or 2:50?
2:50, 10 to 3.
But it's already 2:40.
Okay, what is the time for the movie?
10:50.
What?
10:50.
10:50 is your answer?
Yes.
Okay, how about number 3? We will check that later, okay?
Okay.
Is it?
We can't get there in time.
3,
What time is dinner with your sister?
Not until 8 p.m.
8? It's only a little after 7 now.
We have
Okay, what is the answer for number 3?
I can't hear. Can I listen again?
Number 3.
3,
What time is dinner with your sister?
not until 8 p.m.
8? It's only a little after 7 now.
We have lots of time.
Do you want to walk?
Sure. No need for a taxi.
Great.
Okay, so what is the answer for number 3?
8 p.m.
Okay, number 4.
4,
What time is it?
Let's see. It's almost noon.
Noon?
Yeah, why?
Our train is at 12:05.
It is?
Oh no, we won't make it.
Let's see when the next train is.
Okay, so what is the time of the train? Paul? Hello?
Can I listen again?
Yes.
Our train is at 12:05.
It is?
Oh no, we won't make it.
Let's see when the next train is.
Okay, so what is the time for the train?
I can't hear.
Okay.
Almost noon.
Noon?
Yeah, why?
Our train is at 12:05.
It is?
Oh no, we won't make it.
Let's see when the next train is.
Okay, what is your answer?
12:45.
Okay, is that your answer? All right, so we will check again. We will hear again, okay? Listen again.
page 17, listening, A and B. 1,
Oh no! I think I'm going to be late for class.
What time is your class?
It's at 11 o'clock.
11?
Yeah,
But it's only 10:30. Relax. We'll be there in 15 minutes.
oh, good.
2,
2.
What time is the movie?
It's at 2:50 p.m.
Sorry, 2:15 or 2:50?
2:50, 10 to 3.
But it's already 2:40.
Is it?
We can't get there in time.
Number 3.
3,
What time is dinner with your sister?
Not until 8 p.m.
8? It's only a little after 7 now.
We have lots of time.
Do you want to walk?
Sure. No need for a taxi.
Great.
Okay, all right. So,
4,
okay, next.
What
number
time is
4.
it?
Let's see. It's almost noon.
Noon?
Yeah. Why?
Our train is at 12:05.
It is?
Oh no, we won't make it.
Let's see when the next train is.
Okay, again, what is your answer for number 1? Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Okay, that is correct. How about number 2? What time is the movie?
The movie is 10:15.
Are you sure? 10:15?
Yes.
All right, so the correct answer here is 2:50. This is 2:50. All right, how about number 3?
8 p.m.
And number 4?
12:45.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, so the correct answer here is 12:05. Okay.
All right.
Okay, Kong. So let's proceed with letter B. What is in letter B? Are they going to be late?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay, number 1. Their class will be at 11 o'clock. Are they going to be late? What is your
Yes. Yes.
answer? Is yes.
Yes.
How about number 2? Going
No.
to the movie.
No.
All right, number 3, for dinner.
No.
And how about number 4?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So, number 1, the correct answer is no, because their time is 10:30 and they have 30 minutes more to travel. Okay?
Okay.
All right, number 2, your answer for the movie is oh, okay, correct. Number 3, again, the dinner time, 8 p.m. Yes. No, your answer is correct. 4, you answered yes, and it is correct. Okay, I will give you 5 points for 8. Okay, very good. Okay, this time you're going to speak with confidence. Okay. What is in the letter A, Kong?
Prior study Charlie's appointments, then cover the picture and take turns asking about his appointments. What can you remember?
Okay, so we will just do this. What time is Charlie's test on Friday? What is the answer? Friday.
It's at 4 o'clock.
Okay, it's at 4 o'clock. Think.
Are you sure? I think it's at 4:30.
Okay, very good. All right, so next, what time will Charlie go to his dentist? What is your answer on Monday?
It's 2 o'clock.
2, and what's the Monday? Go to the dentist. What is the time?
It's
Charlie will go
Charlie's
will go to her
will go to her test on Friday.
oh,
Is
oh my god, Charlie is boy. Okay. Charlie will go to his dentist on Monday at what time?
2:45.
Okay, correct. Okay, how about okay. On Wednesday, what time will be your job interview? Hello? What's that noise? Are you okay?
Yes.
Alright, so on Wednesday, Kong, do you have a job interview? What is the time?
Is
I have
I have a job at 1:20.
okay, 1:20. Alright, so on Tuesday, what time will you go to your lesson?
Tennis lesson.
What time will
Uh,
you go at your tennis lesson?
um, 5:30.
Okay, you can say I will go to my tennis lesson at 5:30 on Tuesday.
I will go to my tennis lesson at
5
5:30
on what?
on Tuesday.
Okay. All right. So, oh, there is on Sunday is Marie's wedding. What is the exact time?
Okay,
Marie's wedding
means wedding is at 2 o'clock
on
on Sunday.
very good. So, do you have a math test on Friday? Yeah. Let's see.
Yes,
I have.
my math test is at 4:30 on Friday.
Very good. And how about the news party? What will be the time? Saturday.
Last party around 9 o'clock on Saturday.
Okay, very good. Okay, so give you a perfect score 5/5. Very good, Mom. So this will be the end of our lesson for today. See you again next time. Bye bye. Good night.
Bye bye.
Okay.
Have a good night.